Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add stickers to your videos in CapCut PC. So there are a lot of stickers you can choose from. Just select the stickers featured here and you can select from these stickers. As you can see, just select it and add it to your video and you can place it anywhere you want. You can even add in some animations to the sticker, like an animation, like a bounce in animation, a spring, fade in, mini zoom, zoom in, slide left. There's a bunch. There's also a loop animation as well here that you can apply to your videos. You can even generate stickers here if you'd like to. For instance, you need like a graduation cap. You can even adjust the styles here and generate. And that's how you can add in stickers to your videos in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.